Hey folks, great shot of the beach today from Sky 5 on South Padre Island. It is a beautiful day, 83 degrees, a light easterly wind at about 15 miles an hour, and lots of folks flocking to the beach. Now, one thing you should know, it's going to be a beautiful weekend for the beach, but the only issue is these waves are going to get bigger because of that tropical system going by way out there. That's going to push the waves in. They're going to be bigger. They're going to probably push the water almost all the way up to the dunes in a lot of places. So just be aware of that, and as that happens over the course of the weekend. This is, of course, what is now a tropical depression. Cristobal probably strengthening back to a tropical storm, staying way to the northeast of us, but we'll get that northeasterly flow, and that tends to push big waves in here. And again, it's like dropping a rock in a pond, and the waves go out in every direction, and we'll see those waves come up to the coast over the weekend probably. And so that means, again, water perhaps all the way up to the dunes. Just keep that in mind if you're going to spend some time on the beach this weekend. We'll get back to the tropical system in a minute. Let's look at the radar now. It's gone quiet, but boy, just a little while ago, some heavy rain right along the military highway just west of Progreso, and then all the way back to about Hidalgo, and then kind of fading away as quickly as it formed. But it came down hard there, at least for a little while. Some of it moved up into the middle part of the county, but even that has gone away. You can see some stuff through McAllen and south side of Edinburgh in the last little while near Lopezville, but that is about it. I think we're about done for the night. Future Track suggests that things move out, and that's at 7 o'clock. It's over. By the time you get to 11, 12 o'clock, there's just not much left, and things are quiet again tonight across the area. Tomorrow morning, again, we see the isolated shower possible near the coast. And as the day goes on, sea breeze tries to activate. May not have as much luck tomorrow because, as we've been talking about each day, rain chances go down just a little bit. There's stuff out there, but it's less widespread each day. And you look at 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, just partly sunny skies. And with that, temperatures begin to warm up a little bit. Head into Saturday and probably even less activity. So as you look at the 3-day rain chances, 20% tomorrow, 10% tomorrow night. Saturday, 10% during the daytime. We're dry on Saturday and likely dry on Sunday and into early next week as well. It's now a tropical depression, Cristobal, down over the mainland of Mexico, way down here. It's been over land for better part of a day now, but it's likely to get caught up in the steering currents and begin to move to the north tomorrow. And when that happens, it'll probably strengthen back to a tropical storm. Right now, 165 miles south of Campeche. Winds are 35 miles per hour, still moving to the east-southeast. But look how by tomorrow morning, it's moving up the west coast of the peninsula and then out into the Gulf of Mexico. That's when we think it'll start to strengthen a little bit by Saturday afternoon. Certainly back to tropical storm strength. By the time you get to Sunday afternoon, a stronger tropical storm. It kind of bends a little bit to the west and then kind of turns back to the north after that. But folks along the Louisiana coastline all the way back to really southeast Texas need to be on alert for this, but all the models keep it back in here. Again, 2 out of 3 hurricanes stay within that cone, and I think this one probably will. It's been relatively well behaved over the course of the last few days, doing what the model said it's going to do. That means the models are getting better, right? Current temperatures, here's where we stand. 80s, cooled off a little bit in McAllen because of rain, but it's 91 in Edinburgh. Didn't rain out at the airport. 87 in Port Isabel. Tomorrow's highs, once again, back in the 90s across the area with only an isolated shower or thunderstorm. So for tonight, 74, partly cloudy, some patchy late night fog. And then tomorrow, we're back into the 90s like today, about 92. Could be an isolated thunderstorm, but a lot of the valley tomorrow should be rain-free. Look what happens, not so much through the weekend. It'll be a hot and dry weekend, but look at next week. Oh boy, does it get hot. 99, a couple of 100-degree readings by Thursday. Still hot and sunny, but maybe 97. But tropical system goes by to the east of us. That just makes us hot and dry. And that's what it'll be from Sunday on. That's your updated First One 5 AccuWeather forecast.